ED, walked. What do we hear though?
T.
We hear the T sound. We hear t, t, t. Why is that?
Because it's unvoiced.
So even though you hear t, since it's past tense, you know it's still spelled ED. I walked. What did I tell you? On. On. How do you spell on?
O-N.
On. Finger space. The. How do you spell the?
T-H-E.
I walked on the path. Any path sounds.
Ah.
Good.
P.
Ah.
A. Wait for me. C-H.
Voiced or unvoiced?
Voice. Unvoiced.
Unvoiced. Path. You don't hear it. Path. I walked on the path. What do we need?
Period.
Period. Good.
I only messed up on one thing. I messed up
good.
on a lot of things.
That's okay.
Me too.
Learning takes practice. That's okay.